headed toward Parkfield, California, known as the earthquake capital of California, and we have a number of reasons for doing that. The first one is that, well, this is a beautiful drive. Parkfield Grade, or the Parkfield Coalinga Road, goes over the Diablo Range, crossing from Monterey County to Fresno County at the summit. The second reason is that in our first visit to Parkfield Grade, we had issues with the GoPro camera overheating, and it was a bit of a struggle to pull that episode together. Which brings us to the third reason, and that is the fact that we're using a new camera for this episode. So it's an Insta360 X4, it's a 360 camera. Not going to do anything too crazy with it, but I am recording 3 distinct camera views simultaneously, which is what you're watching now. And if you've watched our channel, you'll know that we tend to seek out the interesting dirt roads in and around California's Central Coast. So we're about to hit the dirt section of Parkfield Grade. So join us now as we drive 5 or 6 miles on the Monterey County side of Parkfield Grade. And the dirt ends at the Fresno County Line, so from here it's about 9 or 10 miles of twisty paved road down to US 98, the Coalinga Road. And we're approaching the end here of Parkfield Grade, the so-called Parkfield Coalinga Road. So thank you very much for sticking with us to the end of the video. It was a pretty short video this time, largely to test out the new Insta360 X4 camera. And if you have any thoughts on that, if you like the footage or you dislike it, why don't you write us a comment below. And if you're interested in the Insta360 X4 camera, we did include a link to that in the description below. All that being said, if you enjoyed the video, we would definitely appreciate a like, and if you want to see more of our videos, why not subscribe to our channel so that you're notified of new video releases. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.